Since the beginning, sailors have known one thing: the sea leaves no room for mistakes. On board, everything comes down to detail. What holds in the wind, what protects you without shutting you in, what moves with you on deck. Sailing means living outside, under the sun, sometimes for hours, in the humidity, very often, and always needing protection. At NV Equipment, every product is designed with that in mind, to last in real conditions, at sea, all the time. We choose our materials for the way they last, and for the comfort they bring you on board. For us, innovation means making life on board easier. Comfort shouldn't be limited to just a few boats. So we design equipment that can adapt to many. Another way to think about protection. Repair is part of the story too. It means accepting that not everything needs to be new. It means taking care of what is already there and keeping what still works. We've been doing this for more than 15 years. At NV Equipment, quality is built day after day with attention to detail and by listening to sailors. We're not trying to do more. We simply try to do the things right, so people can stay at sea longer with the care and passion that true sailing deserves.